Hi there. Welcome to Docentes Digitalis TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into the world of iconic movie quotes, lines that are so memorable they've become part of pop culture. Not only are they fun to learn, but they're also a great way to improve your English and sound more natural when you speak. Movies are filled with powerful, emotional, and even funny lines that stick with us long after the credits roll. Learning these quotes not only expands your vocabulary, but also helps you understand how words are used to express emotions, tell stories, and create unforgettable moments. Let's look at some examples. Take "May the Force be with you" from Star Wars. This phrase is so iconic, it's used even outside of the movies to wish someone luck. It's a perfect example of how movies can shape everyday language. Or how about "I'll be back" from The Terminator? It's a short, simple sentence, but the way it's said makes it powerful and memorable. Practicing quotes like this helps you work on tone and pronunciation. And then there's "You can't handle the truth" from A Few Good Men. This quote shows how tone and delivery can add intensity and emotion to your words. It's a great example of how to use English to make an impact. Here's how to use iconic movie quotes to improve your English. First, choose quotes that resonate with you. Pick lines from movies you love or characters you admire. When you're emotionally connected to what you're learning, it sticks better. Second, practice saying the quotes out loud. Focus on the tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. Try to mimic the actor's delivery to capture the emotion and style of the line. For example, repeat "Houston, we have a problem" from Apollo 13 with the same serious tone. Third, learn the meaning and context. Movie quotes are more than just words. They reflect specific situations or emotions. Understanding where the quote comes from helps you use it correctly in your own conversations. Iconic quotes also introduce you to different accents and styles of speaking. From the British elegance of "My name is Bond," James Bond, to the casual cool of "You talking to me" from Taxi Driver, these lines expose you to a variety of ways to speak English. Here are a few tips to make the most of learning with movie quotes. Write down your favorite lines and practice using them in different contexts. For example, "Here's looking at you, kid" from Casablanca can be a fun way to toast a friend. Watch short clips where the quotes appear. Pay attention to how the characters move and speak, as body language often adds meaning to their words. And don't forget to enjoy the process. Learning English with movie quotes is meant to be fun and engaging, so relax, practice, and let your inner star shine. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitalis TV for more practical and entertaining English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to turn your favorite movies into powerful tools for learning English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.